Back in January of 2022, I decided to invest $5 every single day into the Robinhood automatic investment program. This would take $5 a day, automatically invest it into the stock market. All I had to do is fund the account, sit back, relax, and hopefully make some money. But because I got so many comments on my update videos in the past, I decided I'm going to update you every single month. So here is your July update on where we're going. Now, if you're somebody that's just starting off and you're wondering how to get started with investing and you don't have a lot of money, this is a great place to consider. $5. It's only $5 a day. You invest it, you set it, and forget it. And what I mean by forget it is you truly forget it. There's going to be days that you're going to see like it goes down in price. And then there's going to be days that you're like, hey, I'm making a lot of money, but don't touch it. The goal is these $5 every single day, we're going to let it grow over the next 10 years and see what happens. And then we're going to look back on our portfolio and say, wow, for only $5 a day, here's what it grew to. Now, as I mentioned, I use Robinhood's automatic investment program. And that means that all I do is I transfer money in from my bank account into Robinhood app. And then I said, go ahead and put $5 every day into VOO. Now, the reason I'm selecting this particular fund is it's because it's easy and basic. It tracks the S&P 500. That's the top 500 companies in America. And then I decided to mix it up a bit. Another $5. So now it's $10 a day. I get it. But, once you scale up too, you should do the same thing, right? So $10 a day. But the other $5 is not going into VOO. It's going into Ethereum. So now I got stocks and crypto working in this particular portfolio. But here's the difference. Cryptocurrency is open 24/7. So all I have to do is fund my account, $5 a day into Ethereum, and I never have to worry about touching it. Robinhood automatically just invests. Boom, 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 every single day. But for the stock market's only open Monday through Friday. It's closed on the weekends and all U.S. major holidays. So I had to make up for that. And what I was doing is I was going in there on Monday and basically putting $10 as a manual investment into VOO to make up for the Saturdays and Sundays and from time to time the holidays. But then some of you left some great comments on my prior videos, and I really appreciate those comments. Keep dropping them down below. Even though I may not respond to every single comment, I do actually read every single comment that you put in here. This is a good idea. How about $7 a day? Because if you do $7 a day Monday through Friday, it would make up for the Saturday and Sunday automatically. So there we go. That's exactly what I'm doing now. $7 a day, but it's actually still only $5 every single day of the year. Here we are on Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. Now you can see right now it's going for $407 per share. But the beauty of Robinhood is you can invest with only $5 or $1. It's called fractional share trading. You don't have to sit here and find $407 to invest in this. That would be a lot for people who are just starting off. So far, I have a total share amount of 7.38 shares. So of course, from January 2022 until now, I've invested enough that I've gained up to 7.3 shares. My average cost, take a look at the average cost. $375.59. And that's because I was investing $5 a day throughout 2022. 2022 was a terrible year for the stock market. So I was taking advantage of all those dips automatically by my investment every single day. So as long as the current price up here, right up here where it says 407, is above your average cost, whatever your average cost of whatever you're investing in is, as long as it's above that, you're making money. Unrealized, of course, but you're making money. And that's what's going on. So my market value right now is worth $3,004.21. That means my total return so far is $232.12 as of the recording of this video. Now, I will say there have been times that it shows negative. Now, again, it will never go below zero. A lot of people ask me that. Will you owe money? No. The worst that could happen is this goes to zero. But if that happens, we have bigger issues to worry about. But right now, I'm up. So if I sold, I would have made an additional $232 just by investing $5 a day. So imagine all the times that you're like pissing away money and you're like, man, I could have invested it and now I would have had $3,000. Stacked on top of that though, for the stock market, it doesn't apply to crypto, but it applies to the stock market, is dividends. See, every time you buy shares of dividend-paying stocks or dividend-paying ETFs in this case, they pay you dividends typically every 3 months. Simply for owning the share of stock. So up here you can see on July 5th of 2023, I'm going to get $11.58. They're paying me $11 because of the amount of shares that I own. So even though I'm still doing my $5 a day and this growth down here is $232, it's coupled with the fact that I'm going to get paid dividends every 3 months on top of that. So that's an additional, 2 free days of investing, if you look at it that way. So go find your favorite ETF. Go find maybe some of your favorite stocks. Check them out and start investing today. You could just do $1. You could do $2, $3. It doesn't matter. Just start today, but make sure you always do your own research. None of this today is financial advice. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Now, the thing with crypto is a wild child. It's going to go up, down, sideways, upside down, inside out very quickly. There's going to be times that you're up, down, and it's going to be like stomach wrenching from time to time. I will say right now for July, it's looking good. But maybe in August, it's not going to look good. And then I'm going to come back with a video and say, hey, I'm negative $300. It could happen. I'm ready for it because, like I said, we're going to wait here 10 years. Ethereum is going for $1,920 for one Ethereum. Now, because I've been investing in this $5 a day since January of 2022, I now have 1.548358 Ethereum. That's what's really cool to me because years ago, I would look at an entire Ethereum and be like, man, that's a lot of money. But now, because of just $5 a day, I own 1.5 Ethereum. And I think by the end of the year, maybe early next year in 2024, I'll have 2 Ethereum. Of course, all depends on the price. As long as it stays low, I'll be able to rack up enough to get 2 Ethereum. My average cost is $1701.63. As I mentioned earlier, as long as it's above that, you're going to be making money. So as you know, right up here, it's going for $1,900. My average cost is only $1,700, which means I am positive, as you can see right here, $338.52. And that keeps going around. It keeps obviously fluctuating, but that is a 12% improvement on all of the investment that I've made thus far. Now, a lot of people ask very good questions. One question that they ask is, what about the fees, the brokerage fees? Well, Robinhood offers commission-free trading, so I don't have to worry about that. But I did have a brokerage in the past, this was years ago, that charged you $9 in commissions every time you wanted to buy or sell. So obviously, $5 every day would make no sense because now you're paying $5 into your investment, but then you got to pay this brokerage $9 just to do that. That would be dumb and stupid, let's be honest, because you're wasting a lot of money. So I do know that some international friends here that are watching, it's tough because your brokerages in the international market do still charge that commission, which that would be very tough to do at $5 every day. Now, if you do have access to something like Robinhood, if you can download it, link down in the description below, that's great because then you could take advantage of the commission-free trades. Webull is a little bit more expanded than Robinhood. So if you live in certain countries, Webull can service you. They also offer automatic investing. The other question I get is more probably like just a smartass type of comment, but a lot of people ask, well, why only $5 a day? But the point of the video, guys, is that this is to inspire people to just get started. You know, when I was like young, I didn't know what the heck I was doing, let alone the fact of the commission. But if I was young here today, I still wouldn't know what the heck I was doing. I would love to just say, wait, all it takes is I can just start with that and then go from there. Yes, that's the point. And then what you do is you scale your money up. You grow over time. As you make more money, as you get raises, as you find side hustles, then you can invest more of that money in and then eventually get to a point where you can be financially independent. Sure, it's going to take more than $5 a day to become financially independent, but it all depends on your personal finance plan. If you want to learn more about the structure and how to actually set yourself up in the right accounts to take advantage of taxes and take advantage of building your wealth, check out this video next. We'll see you on the next video.